Hey everybody, this is Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I am out in my garden today and I want to talk with you about priorities. Gardening has taught me so many lessons, as well as so many things about myself, but one of the things that it's taught me or reminded me of is priorities. There are seasons for everything. And when I say seasons, I don't necessarily mean, summer, fall, winter, spring related to a garden season, but seasons in how I spend my time. During the summer, we spend a lot of time outside weeding and harvesting and weeding and pest control and weeding. And there's only so much time left on the weekends. So housework, yeah, we get the laundry done, we get the kitchen clean, I get the groceries, but all of the nice things that make a house shine and make it comfy and cozy, like dusting and vacuuming, they don't really get done a lot. This summer, actually, I didn't get done any from Memorial Day until last week. So what I'm encouraging you with this is, what season of life are you in right now? And be okay that that is the priority. Because at the end of October, once all of these gorgeous sweet potato vines are gone and all the sweet potatoes are harvested, the tomatoes are gone, most of the herbs have been processed at that point. There's really a little bit at that time, you've got some winter crop that you're keeping over maybe 1 or 2 beds for us, but everything else is in. That's when the season changes. And the pantry that I started organizing last winter, and it's still where I left it when spring crop started needing to be dealt with, it's going to be there for me to get to then. Same thing with this past week. I'll be honest, when I went through a spider web in my own house, not full face, but I was working on something on the floor and there was a spider web there, and I said, okay, enough's enough. It is time to let the garden be okay for a little bit and get the house cleaned up. There are seasons, there are priorities. So I'm just saying this to free you that if you are really busy with a very important part of life, other things that can be done anytime, other things that even if they can't be done anytime, if they're not as important, let it go. It's okay. I have a friend who once talked about, in fact, this was just a few weeks ago that she had posted on Facebook, about being outside with her kids, playing with them, and she thought, oh, but the house is a disaster right now. You're growing 2 boys. That's way more important than whether or not everything is just spick and span in your house. I'm not saying let it go forever, because if I let spider webs go forever in my house, it would cause other issues. And stay somewhat organized so things are functional in your home. That's another piece to help you live. But as far as those things that we think we should do, maybe not, if they aren't the priority right then. Well, I think I have hounded on this enough to hopefully free you and get it through my head and yours that there are seasons and priorities, different times. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe so that you can be the first to receive these videos. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.